Hi, I'm Tebeka from Yizocom. She said she's about to get birth anytime soon. Pregnant Manaka Ranaka, who plays Lucy Diele in Generation The Legacy. She took social media, wishes her eldest daughter, Katlego, a happy birthday. That celebration made her emotional, and she thought about the word of her previous woman employer, who told her to abort her baby. But she refused. That led her for getting fired. She posted in her Instagram a picture of her lovely daughter carrying her baby and captioning, "Happy birthday, Mama, the one who made me a grandmother. You were a keystone core and such a blessing in my life. We are so meant to be. 20 years of doing this life thing together, and I've never looked back since. I remember when a woman we work for told me to abort you, and I was like, you crazy. They fired me. Honestly, I didn't care because I was so determined to keep you. As young as they said I was. I was ready for you, and it's been quite journey, baby. A journey I will repeat any day. Have a blessed day, my child. You always be my baby. You always be my joy, my Zion. I thank you. Please tell us what kind of a woman was Ranaka employer was by commenting, like, subscribe to be the first to see when I upload it.